Jalapeño. We want to make sure that there's no wrinkling of the skin and that it's nice and green. First step is to remove the stem, and here we reveal the core. I like to remove this by slicing into quarters. I'll then slide my paring knife underneath that core to remove the pith and seeds. If you wish to keep the seeds, then you can totally skip this step. One method is to thinly slice, which you can garnish on a mac and cheese or nachos. Another method is to slice into a julienne, then into a brunoise. This can be used in guacamole, salsa, or in a ceviche. We can also slice into a large julienne, which can be used on pizzas, stir fries, or fajitas. And that is our jalapeno.